Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your Alcatel 3. So first, what we want to do is we want to check the headphones. So we want to test them with another pair or another device to make sure that they're working, and we can also try and inspect the headphone jack for any visible damage or debris. So the headphone jack is right here, and we want to check for any visible damage. And now what you guys can do next is hold the power button and click on the restart. So you will simply restart your phone, and it should fix a lot of issues because it resolves any minor issue that is on the device. It will basically refresh the system, and I'll see you guys once this phone is turned on. So now after the restart, we can try another pair of headphones and test them with our original ones, just like we did at the beginning, to see if the restart changed anything. So now after that, what you guys can do is check for software updates. There is a possibility that this phone will get updated, but for now I haven't heard of any updates coming into this device. So let's go to system. It's right at the bottom. Here right up top we will have the system updates, and as you guys can see, there is no updates available because this phone is simply just too old, if I'm being honest with you. So there will be no updates right now. I doubt that there will be an update anytime soon, or if there will ever be an update. But after that, what you guys can do is clean the headphone jack with a toothpick or a small brush to carefully try and remove any dust that may be inside. Now, if none of it worked, every single step I told you, then it might be the headphone jack's issue, and I would consider visiting a service center for a checkup. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.